मदर क्राफ्ट फाइल ये एक प्रैक्टिकल फाइल है और ये जो है मदर को दिखाई जाती है ताकि जो है वो अपने फर्स्ट बेबी की प्रिपरेशन कर सके और उसके लिए कौन कौन सी क्लॉथिंग ज़रूरी होती है। तो आइए इसे ओपन करते हैं। Mothercraft Introduction. Mothercraft means knowledge and skill required for the care of babies and young children. Many mothers of young babies, especially if the baby is their first, have difficulty with feeding and management of the baby. Mothercraft training helps the mother to prepare for handling of the baby. In Mothercraft, mother know about the baby wear, feeding and preparation of salve for the care of the baby. So we open the first page, Mothercraft. It provides knowledge to mother what to be prepared for the baby. Objective to increase parent capacity to identify and support their young children development need, to prepare a lady to being a mother, to decrease the isolation between the mother and the baby, to enhance and promote the establishment of positive and secure relationship between the parents and child, to identify and promote easily identification of children with biological and physiological risk to development due to the substance related issue, to help the mother to identify the basic baby needs. First one, summer wear. A set of clothes to wear a newborn baby in summer season. They should be soft, light, mainly of cotton. In hot weather, dress of the baby is loose, light clothing. The clothes are to be wear baby in summer season are nappy, loose top, shirt, etc. First one is javla. The javla is a loose dress for the newborn baby. They are roomy cloths and are stitched using cotton fabric depending upon the style and placement of opening. There are many types of javla like side open, shoulder open, neck gathering, front open, frock size, etc. Next, kameez and pajamas. It is also made from cotton. It has full sleeve and the front is attached with button. It is used to wear to prevent the baby from getting hypothermia. Pajama. It is the lower of the kameez. It is also of cotton. It is softy and provide comfort to the baby. It is used at night for comfort sleepy. It is made of thinner material, may also be called stretch suit, one piece pajama or footy pajamas. Next, wib. The wib is a garment hanging from the neck on the chest to prevent the clothing from accidentally spilled with milk. A drool wib has one job, absorb a baby drool. As far as its practical purpose, that is pretty much it. It only need to cover baby neck and chest. Next, nappy. The nappy is a type of underwear that allows the wearer to urinate or defecate without use of toilet. Cloth nappy are composed of layers of fabrics such as cotton, hemp, bamboo, microfiber, a folded piece of absorbent material such as paper or cloth that is placed between the baby leg and fastened at the waist to contain excretions. Next, wrapper. It is a rectangular cloth and with a triangular shape of placement of the baby head. The cloth fabric is very soft and don't irritate the baby's skin. It is used to wrap the baby when we go out or to protect the baby from external environment. Next, winter clothes. Winter clothes help the little baby to warm, safe and comfort throughout the chill season. Dress the baby always in thin layer. Some of the winter clothes are baby wash that close between the legs, sweaters, gloves, caps, socks, etc. The fabric of winter cloth must be soft, easy to hand and don't irritate the baby's skin. First one is sweater. A sweater is made for the baby from wool cloth. For baby always choose soft fabric. These cloths help the baby to keep warm and prevent from hypothermia. Sweater is made up of knitting or crushed material with that cover the upper part of the body. This piece of clothing mainly with long sleeves. Next, cap. A baby cap is used to protect the baby head from getting hypothermia. There are many types of baby cap in the market, simple, stretch type, head, etc. The cap, originally of wool synthetic fiber, is designed to provide warmth in the cold weather. The stretch of the knitting itself hugs the head, keeping the cap secure. Next, gloves. A gloves is a garment covering the whole hand. Gloves usually have separate sheath or opening for each finger and thumb. Fingerless gloves having one small opening rather than individual opening for each finger and sometimes called gauntlet. Next, socks. Socks are also made from wool cloth. These are used to protect the baby feet and keeping clean and warm the baby feet. Socks are made from the home through knitting, and also wide variety of baby socks are available in the market. Next, blanket. Baby blanket is soft fabric, mainly woolen. After clothing, the blanket is used to wrap the baby in winter and chill season. The blanket is help to maintaining homeostasis of the baby by preventing the baby heat to loss. Blanket is necessary cloth in winter season to keep the baby warm. This is the end of the file. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe the channel.